Far, Far Away by John Siegel. That's it. I'm leaving. Tonight, forever. You can't stop me. Where are you going? Away. Far, far away from here. Really? Yeah, I'm going. Where? I told you already. Away. Far, far away from here. How will you get there? On my bike. At night, you will need a light. Okay. And your helmet? Fine. Where will you sleep? On the ground. And if it rains? I'll get wet. You might want to bring a tent, a sleeping bag, a warm coat, your blanket. And Chester? Yes, of course, Chester. And Tiger? And Max and Rudolph too? Yes, of course, darling. And Buttons? And race car, and cowboy, and scout? Why, of course. Really? Sure. Is there anything else you want to bring? Maybe a piece of cake? Cake? There's cake? Yes, darling, but it's not done, and you are all ready to go. Go? I'm not going anywhere. I have everything I need right here. The end. Thank you for watching.